Hello everybody, welcome back and thanks for joining me today. As you can see, I've already kind of started with flooding my canvases just to save a little bit of time. Life has become stupendously busy, especially with the new puppy. For those of you who are new and have no idea what I'm talking about, we have an 8-week-old Siberian Husky puppy along with a 14-month-old. I would say he's a puppy with another husky. So life is pretty busy and I am trying to get a quick pour done as quick as possible so that you guys can have a video to watch before I head on back upstairs to take care of the puppy. Right now I have my daughter watching him. I said, Sophia, I said, you need to watch the puppy. Mommy needs to do a quick video. So if you are new watching, welcome to my channel. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscription button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. My goal is to hit 100K and I'm almost there. I'm at 90,000. Woohoo! I'm super excited about that. So I would love it if you would subscribe. All right, what I have here are two 11 by 14 inch canvases. If you've seen previous videos of mine, I did a dark blue triptych.
I'm having trouble hearing you.
Oh, look, Siri thought I was talking to him. Yes, Siri's a boy for me. Anywho, I did a dark blue triptych. This is just one of the panels of the three. I didn't want to bring all three, but I did a dark blue, which is beautiful. It's got a nice shiny coat of crystal resin on it. So I've also done a purple triptych. That piece already sold, so I can't show it to you. So I decided to do a light blue triptych. The dark blue triptych is available for purchase. I will link the video in the up here so you guys can check out the video. And if anyone is interested in buying the blue triptych, let me know. So I'll explain what I'm doing in a sec. So these are just my Lowly Veffy squeeze bottles. It's got my Dutch pour concoction in it. And I'm just, you know, you guys will see me do it with my white squeeze bottles. It's just so much easier when you have a squeeze bottle to do your sides. I wanted to, and then I just dab my finger. I know you probably can't see it, unfortunately. I dab my finger just to make sure all the sides are covered. And before I put down the paint, I did paint all my sides. I took a paintbrush and I painted all the sides blue because it just in case some of the blue doesn't cover the white canvas, you don't want it to look awful and have a white patch coming through, right? Especially depending on the color you choose. Like this is the Artist Loft light blue. And let's see, it's a semi-opaque. I don't know if you can see that. It's a semi-opaque. If you can choose an opaque color, you would probably be better off. But if you end up choosing a transparent color, it will, the canvas will show through. So you definitely want to paint your edges first and then flood your canvas, all right? I've already done these sides before I started recording just to save some time. So I am going to just pop the bubbles really quick and then I'll tell you what colors we're using today. All right. And if anyone wants to know about my awesome spatula that I use to spread my paint, you can find it listed in my Amazon shop in the link below. There's a US, a Canada, and a UK Amazon shop. It's called an omelet turning spatula. Best thing I ever bought for evenly distributing paint on my canvases. I love it, absolutely love it. And I made sure, it is so important guys, make sure your canvas is level. I cannot stress that enough. Again, this is also listed in my Amazon shop. All right, colors I'm using today are Deep Turquoise by DecoArt, followed by Deep Sapphire by DecoArt. Then we have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo Studio Acrylics. Then we have Sterling Silver by DecoArt. And finally, for the topper, we have Prussian Blue by Grumbacher Academy, okay? So those are the colors I'm going to use. I'm not adding any primary elements because I really gotta get this pour done and go upstairs because there's only so much I trust my 7-year-old to take care of a puppy. And my husband's outside cutting the grass. And my parents are coming in an hour. My brother and my sister-in-law are coming with the kids. We're gonna have a barbecue, so I figured I better go and paint real quick. So yeah, it's gonna be a crazy day. And you know what? I didn't even think about what I was just doing. I just started pouring without even thinking twice about that. But that's the design we're working with today, I guess, huh? Oops, I'm too busy talking. All right, so let's go with the deep Sapphire, which is a beautiful color. This is gonna be, and don't forget guys, the base color will always dry darker than when it looks wet. So like that dark blue triptych, the piece I showed you, the blue was so much lighter, but it always dries darker. So keep that in mind as well, okay? Acrylic paints will always dry darker. Oh, I love this iridescent. And I tried picking all colors that had a shimmer to it. The only one that doesn't is the Prussian blue. And I guess I could have added some primary elements to it, but I really gotta get this pour done. I don't want to leave you viewers hanging and waiting for videos from me. I'd like to keep up with doing videos for you guys, and I hope you guys appreciate that. So, you know, they may not be long or 30 minutes like my old ones were, but hey, a video is a video. All right, what do I need? What do I need? Torch. I'm gonna torch the bubbles real quick. And then I'm gonna ponder how I'm gonna blow this because there's a lot of blue space here. I really didn't think that through, did I? All right, so I'm gonna start with this piece, and as you can see, I've separated the canvases. I don't put them together anymore because when you blow it over, it'll just end up going along the sides, and you gotta worry about fixing the sides. So you definitely don't wanna do that. And you wanna concentrate on how you're gonna blow. A lot of people are asking me, is my hair dryer on high, low, hot, cold? This is a $10 hair dryer, bought it from Walmart. It's actually a travel hair dryer because the handle goes down. You see that? Pretty neat. So anywho, it only blows hot air. There's no cool air that comes out of this thing. And for me, I blow it on high, okay? If you have a hair dryer and you blow it on high and it splatters the paint everywhere, try it on low. If low doesn't work, and it doesn't push your paint around, what you need to do is go back to high. And when you go to push your paint, don't start this close, start up high. And if it's not blowing the paint, then go a little closer. And as you get closer, you'll see the paint will start to move. But if you start here at the bottom and blast it on high, you're gonna end up with paint on your floors, your walls, on yourself. So start up high and gauge how powerful your hair dryer really is. You know, a lot of people say, oh, I want the same hair dryer as you. It doesn't matter about the hair dryer. It matters how you use it, okay? And the consistency of your paint. I cannot stress enough how important it is that your paint has to be thin, all right? So let's go and see what happens with this. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love it so far. You know, I was gonna blow that and I decided not to because I'll do it with my mouth instead. Oh, these colors are stupendous. Okay, this must get Prussian blue. Oh, it's amazing. Let me see, let me show you what it looks like. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. That's what it is, okay? Grumbacher Academy Prussian blue, okay? They're a little bit more on the expensive side, but you don't need to buy every color that they offer. Pick a few good colors that you really, really love, like blue, my favorite. And oh man, and the sterling silver is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna fix this and then we'll go from there. There, that's it. I don't even want to touch anymore. The cells that are forming are just beautiful. And you know what? I'm not even going to torch it at all. What I will do is I'm going to fix this corner here. Because I wanted it to flow over the edge. Oh, wow, you guys. I'm loving this. And of course, matchy. This is not matchy, but as long as they match here, it looks cool. Hey, that's like a really weird sea creature with an eyeball and like a seahorse snout. Okay, I'm so happy with this piece. I love blue. You guys know how much I love blue. So I will bring you guys down for a close-up. I can't stop staring at it. Okay. I'll bring you guys down for a close-up and you guys will get a better look at it. So 1 second, I gotta turn on my doohickey here. Be right back. All right, guys, before I show you the piece, I want you guys to tell me what you want to see next. So I have done a triptych using the dark blue. I've done a triptych using dioxazine purple. I have now done a diptych using the light blue. And now I have these three colors. We have turquoise, we have aqua green, and cerulean blue. So I want you guys to tell me in the comments below, which color do you want to see next in either a diptych or a triptych or whatever piece, but which color do you want to see next? And then if you have a totally different color, like, I mean, don't go crazy on me. I'm not doing a red background or anything like that. I hate red, and I know some people out there like red, but red is not for me. And it's a very hard color to work with. So let me know which color you prefer in the next video. And then if you also have a different color in mind as well, I will take that into consideration. So let me know in the comments below. All right, let's move on to this beautiful masterpiece. I'm so thrilled with this piece. And I cross my fingers, my toes, my arms, and my legs that this stays put and doesn't move very much as it's drying. I will scrape the bottoms. Don't forget, you see those drips? You must scrape those drips off. It is an absolute must. I will show you real quick. See this? Just grab like a stick, popsicle stick, and literally just do this. I cannot tell you how important that is, okay? You see that? This is pulling the paint from the top of your canvas and pulling it down, and that will ruin your composition. So do that all the way around, okay? And come back 10 minutes later and do it again, because I'm telling you, there will be drips again. You can already see a little bit, okay? So come back 10 minutes later and do it again. Now, sorry about that. I had to tell you guys that. So check this out. And you notice I did not torch anything after the initial blowout. The sterling silver is phenomenal. I am so happy. And I also have a pearl white, which also would have been beautiful. But I chose the sterling silver. Look at that blob right there. When this thing dries, it's going to shimmer. And when I add a top coat of crystal resin, it's going to be even more beautiful. So if you are interested in this 11 by 14 inch diptych, email me and grab it before somebody else does, because I have a feeling this one is not going to last very long. So email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. and check it out. All right. So speaking of checking it out, check out Juno's YouTube channel if you want to see more of my little puppy. I will put a little clip of him at the end of this video, but if you want to see more of him, check out Juno and Echo on Juno's YouTube channel, okay? And I would appreciate if you guys watch the videos there and subscribe to his channel too. So thank you so much, guys. Check out all the information below. There's a color art discount for the primary elements, Loli Vefi discount, Arteza discount. My PayPal link is there for anyone who would like to donate to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps me buy supplies. It helps me buy, you know, all this stuff to do tutorials for you guys. I cannot thank you guys enough. And that's it. So stay tuned for a little puppy clip. And until the next time, don't forget, let me know in the comments below what color you want to see next. And I will go with the comments and do another video. That's it for now. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye. Echo. Hey. Hi.